Hello and welcome back to the Maintask channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an email template in Salesforce step by step. Email templates are a great way to save time, keep communication consistent, and make sure your team is always sending professional messages. In this video, we'll cover how to create an email template, how to use merge fields to personalize emails, and how to organize your templates. Let's get started. First, go to App Launcher and type email templates and select it. Then click New Email Template. Describe the email template name. You can also add a description. It's not necessary, but it might be useful if you work with more people. And select the folder where the template is going to be stored. Add the subject line and the email body. To personalize the email more, we can add merge fields. So here, instead of the first name, I will add the merge field of first name. It's gonna be the recipient's first name. And I will add the account name as the name of the company. So it's organization and name. And then I will type my name, which is the sender's name, the sender's position, so title, and the company name, so sender and company name. And then I will save. So now the template was created and it automatically pulls the recipient's data, making the email feel more personal. So let's try to use it. Let's navigate to a contact record and I will select send email and insert template. And you can see that it's already available here. Welcome email, that's the one we created. I will confirm that the current email should be overwritten. And before sending, we can preview it. You can see that the merge fields that were populated on the records were populated in the email templates, and those that were missing on records, they are blank. The title I selected is not populated on my record, and that's why there is the blank space instead of the title. So it's very important to always preview emails before sending them, especially when it's the first time, to double check that the template was created correctly and make any necessary edits afterwards. And that's how you create email templates in Salesforce. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye bye.